Alrighty guys, we are back and it is time to basically deassemble the cars. Take everything out, make them lighter and all that kind of good stuff. Right behind us, there is some stuff already which I'm very excited about. We got the Kumho tires on lock, as you know, long-term sponsor from our side. Honestly, love the Kumhos and they look super sick. We got beautiful Motec rims for the E46s, finished in satin gold. This is actually the matte light gold from Motec. Really like it. The cars are on the twin bush ramps. And obviously, Twinbush is also being a sponsor of the series. But for now, it is time to start deassembling the interior. Let's go. Okay, let's start building. It's my first time ever literally taking apart a car. So I'm very sure this might not go as planned. I don't get why Nico is starting in the back, but well, we'll just let him do his thing. Hope everything is in here. Maybe this thingy works for it. Again, guys, I have no idea on what I'm doing. Maybe I should watch a YouTube tutorial on how to take apart an E46. I got one-handed. This is not fun. Ha! I'm a genius.
I can't open the door from the outside. I have to open it from the inside every time. So that is why I will start disassembling this door here first.
Start to take the back seat of the car, so it should work. Oh. He's done with talking, and I already got the first piece out of my car.
You know, I take care of our viewers and I actually want to inform them.
Okay, nice. Now the second one. I'm already sweating, guys.
Oh! I think I found the right tool. Again, don't make fun of me. This is my very first time doing any of this. Does this even make sense like this? I think there's another tool.
So one quick thing we can't forget is to disconnect the battery so the airbags don't go off when we do stuff here.
After professional research, I have found the proper tool. I don't think it's working the way it's supposed to.
Come on, how do you get rid of this?
Alrighty, guys. As you can see, my interior is completely empty. I get rid of the seats and everything.
Well, that looks pretty empty.
Yeah, it is empty, but it's kind of dirty. But
You know, it's same for me and I had mold in my car.
Is you serious?
Yeah, I literally just ripped everything out 2 minutes ago.
Oh, there's money.
Yeah. And by the way, just before you guys are wondering, Lucas is literally helping me right now because there's one bolt I can't get out and he knows how to.
You screwed up the screw.
But I turned it once and it's round. So, I don't know.
Okay, so Alex is going to screw up another screw, I think. So I'm going to get rid of these door cuts. So yeah.
Didn't expect to show you guys this in this video today, but the TTRS is actually back, our 850 horsepower Audi TT, which looks absolutely f***ing insane.
Oh my god.
Literally.
I'm so blown away by this. It's insane.
It's crazy. Full carbon fiber dovetail.
Oh, it is?
The wing is chassis mounted. You know how much downforce? 1,000 kilos.
No way.
Like, it's no joke, like this thing works.
Crazy.
But coming to the most important part, and literally, usually, sometimes like sponsor stuff obviously is not that fun, but iClip, main sponsor of this whole series, this is literally, well, I need to show like this because I'm actually using it. iClip changed my way of spending money, if I can say that. Because literally,
In a good or bad way? Do you spend more or less now?
I spent more. That is so sick because when I'm like in traffic, I just go, love it. And there's one argument about it. When you are in a very overpowered, high performance vehicle, like this little Audi TT, you are always in here. Like this is actually a good example. Like if you want to like try and get your phone out or something, it just doesn't work. And with iClip, it's so small. 1 second. Like this has literally been a game changer, like no joke. In the beginning, I was like, yeah, it's cool. Not sure how it's gonna be usable for us, but that is crazy. And if you guys want one, First link in the description. There's over 100 different variants of what you can do color and spec wise.
I can show you mine, it's beautiful, I love it.
Oh yeah, you have one too. It
at
looks
this one.
sick. It's so cool. I'm using the small one. Lewis is using a max one because he can keep coins and that kind of stuff. I don't need coins because I never use cash at all. So this really has been a game changer for me because you can put it anywhere. Like literally anywhere. Made in Germany, absolutely love it. Fair prices, everything. So yeah, make sure to check out iClip. I'm new to this. And I have no idea what I'm doing or how I am supposed to do it, but we're trying. Oh. Yeah. Sorry. Jesus. That's disgusting. Ah, here we go. That part.
Problem is, this thing is not connected internally. From here, we can't see anything. So we have to take apart this whole thing to see if we can reach anything to repair it.
Now it should fly off right now. Oh, there's the screw, but... Oh, okay. Woo! Now it's completely empty.
Bye, Lucas.
Okay.
Literally, this is mad weight reduction. Like, I think the car, without the interior stuff, is probably... I'm on the mold. It's probably 100 kilos less. I really appreciate your help, my friend.
You a lot.
Thank you very much. If any of you guys are local in Germany and you need some E46 parts, let us know, because we do have a few spares now. Hello, Nico. Hello.
So let's try if we can get this bad boy out of here without injuring my knee anymore. Alrighty.
Holy shit, what the f? Okay, that's tight. I hope you're not getting bad angles of me. Jesus. But yours, it is what it is, right? God, I didn't know being a mechanic is so uncomfortable. How do I know if I'm inside it? That sounded wrong, sorry. Getting professional help from Nico, I can't help myself. Well, the screw's not coming out.
The first one or the second
Both
one?
of them.
Both of them. Wait. Ow!
Because that's not very kind of you. Okay, next one I got myself, I hope. Yes! Perfect. Oh god, that does not look nice.
Look at that. Seats are out. All of this stuff. Only thing that is remaining are these two back seats here, the upper part. I forgot how exhausting it is to work on cars. It's like physically exhausting. But it's great fun, I like it.
Quick change of scenery. We are now obviously right here at the mechanics. Sprinter is fully loaded with the beautiful Kumho tires and the Motec rims. I'm super excited and I'm thinking that I might actually take my fenders off and try and fit them just to kind of see how it looks. I'm very excited to get this done.
Yes, me too.
So I don't annoy you anymore.
No, it's not an annoying. It's curious how it will fit in the end.
It will because of wide bodies.
Yes, I'm curious also how they will fit in the end.
They will fit very well, okay?
Alrighty guys, so I'm now here as well. Could you
guys.
open the gates to heaven?
Yeah, of course. We loaded up the wheels and now look at them babies.
My god!
I mean, they.
A whole Sprinter full of wheels. I want to lay in there and sleep in there. On the wheels.
You can.
Yeah?
Yeah, of course. We got two sets of wheels, well, not sets, but two wheels on the car already.
Yep.
Well,
It is pretty wild.
It's a monster truck. we have to say, because obviously these were planned for wide body.
Yep.
So with the wide body, you need to imagine, and the KW suspension, that everything fits perfectly. Because it will look very good.
I'm sure of that.
Well, to be honest, it will be Lewis's fault, because I asked him for the sizes, and he's in charge of that part, so if it's bad, it's your fault.
You said wide body, I said okay, big.
Yeah, he did.
That's big.
He did.
That is big.
I mean, they look really good to be honest. Like for winter tires, this is insane. Like literally, the fitment of the tire on the wheel for winter tire is absolutely crazy.
Yeah, love it.
Another day, another package, which is absolutely fantastic. As you can see, Lewis and I are standing right in front of it. Lewis, what do you have behind yourself?
A beautiful, more or less beautiful E46 here with Eonon products.
Which is gonna...
Which we've all been waiting for. Okay.
Very, very true. Thank you. So these things are going to be absolute game changers for us because, as you can see right here, these are beautiful screens for the infotainment system of our BMW E46s. You can find them under the name Car Stereo on Eonon, which is going to be very fun. And today we are basically going to install them and film everything step by step, because I think this product a lot of you will actually need, because everyone who has an E36, E46 or something like that, this thing will be very, very cool and handy. There's a user manual in it, but we're doing it just like yesterday. Everyone's going to do it by themselves. Lewis is going to be able to showcase Android Auto because he uses an Android. And Nico and I are going to be able to showcase Apple CarPlay.
CarPlay in an E46, I can't wait.
You also have great gadgets, just like YouTube, Netflix, all that kind of stuff. You can run it on here. So basically, if we're, let's say, parked on the side of the road because one of the other guys like blew their car away or something, we can watch Netflix. Let's get started. I'm just going to grab this one. Everyone got their camera, right? Okay, let's go.
This will be a game changer. Let's go. Beautifully packed. We first of all have to take out the AC unit. We have the reversing camera. Oh, that thing's cute.
I already took out the radio and now it's time to install a new one, the Eonon. Hello there. I need to put the climate control down there. So yeah, let's go.
I have to say packaging is really nice. Obviously the screen right here, well that's a lot of cables. Jesus Christ. Yeah, so we got the mic for calling, another cable thingy there, aux connector here, USB cables, something there. That's gonna be the main cable stuff, which we will have to figure out. Okay, this is actually done very cool. You literally have numbers on where you need to put stuff in, plug stuff in, which is great. So I think we're gonna plug everything in first, actually. I think someone is gonna get so mad doing this.
This f***ing AC unit does not fit in here. There's always a gap. Okay.
Dude, I know.
I slide it in like this. It fits. But then there's the stupid gap again here.
I know why. Because of your seat heater.
So what?
So it's smaller than mine, I think. So yours now ugly. Mine looks great.
So it has to stay like this.
Yeah.
This camera doesn't tilt. I have to wait 10 years until it has shifted.
This looks like a mess. Let's try it.
Jesus Christ. Just move that cable there. It's really cool. I'm enjoying this project because I'm actually learning a lot.
Now it's time for the fun part, which is putting in the monitor.
I just gotta plug the right stuff into the right slots, which... let's see if that works. Okay guys, I need Nico's help, so I'm gonna basically be with him now. He's gonna connect his battery now because he got everything installed.
Where's my car keys?
I think you might need those, mate.
Wait. Yeah, I need to check if everything's working. Okay, that doesn't sound great.
Is your battery maybe dead?
I don't know. Please. Okay, that doesn't look...
Maybe it...
Oh damn.
my god!
Nice.
Oh my god.
Nice. Oh my god.
That is sick.
Oh, look at this, how smooth it works.
That's insane. That's actually
You
crazy.
actually got a OBD checker in there? That's the radio?
Have you connected radio?
Oh, okay. Oh, yeah.
The quality looks insane.
Amazing. I mean, it is so smooth.
Nico got his CarPlay sorted.
Oh my god.
Oh, that is sick. That is so sick.
god. No!
Don't double click it.
Okay. No, wait!
Okay, guys, as you can see, it is in. Let's do the test. Yo.
That was close.
And my AC is working, oh my god. Out of excitement, Nico grabbed the big camera and everything is powering up. Here we have it, fully built in. Looking stunning. Like, this is crazy. Obviously, you can use your steering wheel buttons just like before, so that all really works well. Every function in here is literally perfect.
Hello there guys! So, today is a new day. Yesterday I haven't been filming quite a lot. I just reconnected my battery. So now we have juice. Hello Alex. Hello. We are matching today. Let me just turn on the ignition.
How's your backup camera working?
It's not working yet.
Why?
I haven't connected it yet because I lost. To be honest, I lost my cable inside there somewhere and I can't get it out. That's the issue I'm facing right now. Now the screen is fired up. Oh, that's the location. I better hide that. Boop. We have the amplifier here. We can take control of everything. That is so sick. Literally, before this, I thought I needed a new speaker system for the car. But after tweaking some of these settings here, it sounds so good. Oh my god, let me show you. So now I want to talk to you, but it's too loud. So what do? One tap on the mute button. That is so practical. Oh my god. Imagine this. We're filming and then we see a very beautiful corner covered in snow, powdery snow. Get the camera, turn on the camera, turn down the music, focus, introduction, and drifting that corner. We can't do that when we spend 2 minutes. And then we press the wrong button. So that's why this mute button comes in super handy.
Alrighty guys, we continue and move on the E46 after the beautiful Eonon is, by the way, obviously in all the cars now, which is really amazing, is that also Hey Siri works. It's so cool. But we gotta get a move on here because the fender is basically very loose, but we now need to get these thingies out of here, which I have no idea on how to, but we'll figure it out together.